One is the operational human resources information system, and second very important classification is called as the strategic human resources information system. And I have given him an example, various example. And dear friends, for your kind information, the concerned chief executive officer of that company, who is also MTech IIT Guwahati, and for him, I took almost nearly 3 days, 3 consistent days, to show my all the presentations, all my PPTs, and with the presentation, even with the multimedia and with the non-multimedia also. It took nearly 3 days to explain me and convince him about the complete human resources information systems, policy, procedure to take care the best recruitment policies and to implement the best retention policies. My dear friends, each and every company presently is facing the challenges in these two main important criteria, which is called as a recruitment. Because many people, many of even the concerned CEO asked me that the right person for the right position. People are he is not getting the skilled manpower, starting from, you can say, a junior executive cadre to the top cadre. He is not getting. So how to find and how to troubleshoot this case of recruitment, and where we can be successful in the best recruitment thing here. And the second one is retention policies. Another worrying thing and another worrying component which is being faced by most of the companies, that the company management and the company human resources department is unable to retain the best skill sets just after 6 months of their joining and just after 1 year of their joining. Why? Where is the problem? And so for troubleshooting this, I have given the complete 3 days consistent my presentations to him, and finally he agreed with me, and finally he told, yes Girish, you are absolutely right, and as per the recruitment is concerned and the retention policies, these two are very important challenges being faced by every human resources department and every management of the company. So after my consistent 3 days continuous presentation to the chief executive officer and his top brass executives like vice president, senior vice president, and general manager and above cadre, finally they have accepted that the best policy of the recruitment policy is required to get the best candidate, and at the same time